Whenever a Hindu friend calls a Muslim for a party, and if they have the puja, if they're having prasad, they give it to the Muslim. And most of the Muslims, they know that having prasad is wrong, is haram, because it is the food given to the deity, to the idols. But as Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in no less than 4 different places, in Surah Baqarah, chapter number 2, verse number 173, in Surah Ma'idah, chapter number 5, verse number 3, in Surah An'am, chapter number 6, verse number 145, and in Surah Nahl, chapter number 16, verse number 115. حرمت عليكم الميتة والدم ولحم الخنزير وما أحل لغير الله به. Forbidden for you food are dead meat, blood, flesh of swine, and any food on which any other name besides Allah's name has been taken. These types of food are prohibited for us Muslims. But when the Hindu offers a Muslim the prasad, the Muslim, what does he think? He wants to increase the friendship. So he says Bismillah and he has a prasad. Tomorrow he'll say Bismillah and have alcohol. Day after tomorrow he'll say Bismillah and have pork. What is happening to the Muslim ummah? According to Islam, it is permitted to eat only the food on which the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is taken. I'm not abusing him. I'm not insulting him. Dawah is very simple. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in Surah An'am, chapter number 6, verse number 108. وَلَا تَسُبُّوا الَّذِينَ يَدْعُونَ مِن دُونِ اللَّهِ فَيَسُبُّوا اللَّهَ عَدْوًا بِغَيْرِ عِلْمٍ. Revile not, abuse not the gods of the other religions, lest in their ignorance they will abuse Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. I'm neither abusing them, I'm neither using foul language against them. So dawah is so simple. We Muslims leave aside correcting the non-Muslims, we become a party to them.